What's up, friends? It's your girl Kia back at it again with another video, and this unit is from West Kiss Hair, and she came with all of the goodies. So if you do follow me on Instagram, which you should be, my Instagram handle is Kiamani, K-H-E-U-M-A-N-I. You've seen this Cardi B / Baps inspired hair, and I'm here to show you how I got it. I've been wanting to do this for so long, and I just never had the wig, and once I got this one, I thought this was perfect. It's 26 inches, 200% density, 13x6 lace front, and she's an HD lace unit. I started off by sectioning the wig as if I am doing a half up, half down. And then once I got the top part parted out, I just started to kind of hot comb it all up towards the top of the head. So, because that's where the ponytail is going to be, at the top of my head. And then I also parted out this section. I know it's kind of hard to see. This section for the swoop. You want to make sure you do that before you slick your ponytail. And it was way easier for me to style this off of my head, but you can also style it on if you don't have like a mannequin head, but it was a lot easier for me to style. Then want to put this top part that you did hot comb and mold up. You want to now put this in a ponytail. And if you are going to have baby hairs out, you want to make sure that you don't slick those up in a ponytail, because once it's slick, it's basically impossible to get those out. So I'm going to put my ponytail at the top, at the highest point. You want to make sure if you are styling this wig off of your head, you don't want to do it too tight to where the wig is bunched up, because then it'll be like a weird fit, if that makes sense. You can see my tracks here, but I really didn't care about that, because once I curled the wig and did the little bubble tree thing at the top of my head, you can't even see it. So I did use extra hair for the fullness. I don't even know where this hair is from. Just any hair that will hold a curl or that can curl will do. You can honestly go to the beauty supply and get some cheap hair. It doesn't really matter. All you want to do is begin to curl the hair and basically pin curling it, but you want to do it in sections. So I'm going to part out a bottom section, and at the base of the ponytail, it's going to be 4 curls. So 4 all the way around. It is essential that when you are curling the hair that you must either use spritz or freeze spray just to give it that crunchy look, because that's what we want. And you can either use bobby pins or hairpins to keep these curls in place. I found that bobby pins work the best, but I ended up running out of bobby pins at the end, so I had to use like those really big duck clips, but you get the point. Once the very base is done, you want to move up and do the second row. I did 3 rows all together, and the last row at the top was just one big curl. But the only thing that you want to do here for the second row is kind of stagger the curls. So don't do one curl on top of the other. You want to do a curl in between each space. Kind of hard for me to explain, but you'll see what I'm talking about. Some shine, I'm going to use this Fructis flat iron serum, and I forgot to mention, but I did pre-pluck and pre-bleach the knots on this unit. I do that in every video though, so if you do watch my videos, then you already know that. And then I'm just going to take my flat iron and press out the back just a little bit more. The original texture on this wig was body wave, but after I did wash out the bleach and whatnot, I ended up straightening her off camera as well, so that's why you didn't see the waves, but it is wave, a body wave. Once I've styled, I'm just going to install her. I'm going to install the wig like I do with all my other wigs. So I won't really be doing that much talking because I've explained this process so many times. I don't really think that you guys want to hear me go over that again. So be sure to let your wig set until it's completely dry, since you do have a slick ponytail at the top. You don't want any lifting. So here is one of my inspiration pictures, the beautiful Megan Thee Stallion and Cardi B, and this is how she came out. Thank you so much for West Kiss Hair for collabing with me. And if you guys want to try this style out and this wig, everything on the wig is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one.